Right off the top of the head.
This is a team.
Thank you.
You helped me.
I love it. Thank you, sister.
And there you could see how beautiful our Luann looks. Luann, how old were you when you started here? Do you remember?
I'm trying to run the numbers. I was mid-20s.
Yeah.
Mid-20s.
So
we were
Luann
babies
and I,
when we started off.
So we've all known each other for 3+ decades,
Yes,
for
I
sure.
remember when Jean came.
Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't hear Luann. So sorry. Luann started in her 20s as well. And she said we've all grown up together.
Yep.
We were babies when we started here. So, and we're very glad to still be here and to know each other that long.
Indeed.
Well, she's wearing another new for you today. Sale price on this will save you, oh wait, do I have the right thing? Yes, I do.
Yep.
Will save you $6 on this. Let's see, 70, that would be 70. So they're less than $35 a piece.
Nice.
And I added the shipping and handling. It's not exact to the penny, but you get the idea. You get the gist on this, right?
Yes, and by the way, Luann is wearing the new sage in those pants that you were wearing.
And the same pants I have on.
Yes, that we just,
the new color?
mentioned you about. That's the new color, if you're wondering.
Okay, thank you. Keep us up to date on this. So what are we doing? We're buying two, we're placing one order, we're getting two. One shipping and handling. One is round and the other one is a V-neck. I wouldn't call this really round. Well,
I mean,
it's sort of round with a little bit of a square. I'm not good at geometry. That I was terrible at, I will be honest with you.
I kind of just lock them all into the same
So we'll call it round
roundish.
and then V-neck, all right? And you get two of them. So that is...
This is coral
watering
and
can
orchid.
and spring hat. So that's how you order it by the embellishments. Spring hat and watering can. All right. So let's check out our bees in blue and our cherries in yellow.
Cherries have been just such an amazing motif in our brand forever, as well as daisies, as well as bees.
Have you gone through Fashion 360 yet?
No, I haven't had a chance. Yeah.
We talked about the color of red for spring, summer this season is cherry red, and those cherries are like delicious, luscious looking.
Sounds good to me. I like it.
Then hearts, hearts and shamrock.
This was super popular at 2 a.m. P.S. by the way, because you're getting
very limited already.
Yep. So you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. 2 holidays covered in one, under one shipping, right? 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Both have 3/4 length sleeves, really fun, beautiful, vibrant colors. And as I've been saying is, you know, things that are reminiscent of our history here at QVC. Daisies were Jean's favorite. Bees have always been a popular thing. And I know that Joan Rivers loved them as well. I hope that they're having tea together in heaven
wouldn't
tonight.
that be nice?
You know, just to celebrate each other and their friendship, and for, you know, they knew each other for a long time. But, you know, of course, and with the bees don't know that they're supposed to fly, but they fly anyway.
Yeah, they don't know that they're not, that their bodies are not set up to fly easily, but that doesn't stop them.
It doesn't stop them.
And maybe that's how you are.
And
you know?
save them, because we need them. They're very important.
That's true.
So when we were in Iceland in November.
Yes, you were. And
we ate. I found this place. A friend had recommended it, and then I found it. It's a tomato farm in Iceland.
Okay.
And you eat. They have a restaurant. You eat in the greenhouse.
Oh, cool.
And they have beehives in the greenhouse.
Okay, not
cool.
The bees were in there with you?
They were in there with us, and one of them like flew and hit my friend's husband, like, you know, just like landed on him. It was just so funny, but it was really cool, and it added to the experience. They weren't there to sting us.
Okay.
They were there to propagate and to you know,
do their thing.
And it was amazing. So bees are very important. We love them.
Oh, Iceland bees are nicer than normal bees, than Jersey bees. Okay. Somehow I could really appreciate that.
Oh my goodness. I have another story about not nice bees, but we won't go there. You know, and then we know Pat loves gardening. We know you love gardening. You have this beautiful coral that's a little more on the orangey side. Wouldn't you say?
I agree
you know,
with
if you're looking at your monitor, I just like to call that out. And then this really pretty, I would call this our orchid, but you can see there with the sun hat or the, you know.
Isn't that pretty?
So pretty. And then accented with some stones. This is embroidered. Okay,
look how clean that is.
It's nice and clean. I'm not seeing metallic thread on this, so if you're hypersensitive to metallic thread, you should be good to go with this one.
Yeah, just the little rhinestone
like
kissed on there.
That's it.
You know, if you are someone who has never tried Quacker before, and we welcome you on board, all of you, each and every one of you, the embroidery that Quacker Factory has done, it's almost unheard of.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. And our team, I have to give a shout out to our design team.
Yes, please
Because
do.
I still wouldn't be here if it weren't for them, of course, continuing with, Jean's legacy. And that's why you'll see so many elements of her in this lineup today, right? Just remembering her legacy and her history.
And honoring her.
And honoring her. But our John Schrader, phenomenal artist. Like, he is an artiste.
Totally agree.
And here's the thing, Pat. Quacker's only available here at QVC. You can't go to a store with a door and buy Quacker Factory. You can only get it here. So, we really have high standards for the quality of our embroidery. Jean started doing novelty 30 some odd years ago, and now everybody's doing it, right?
Right.
So we want to make sure that we still differentiate, that we're still unique, but we still bring you amazing quality.
And this is the way to do it. This is some of the best value that you're going to see all show. Round neck and a V-neck, so 2 different necklines, 2 different embroideries for you. This is your watering can and your spring hat. Here is the hearts and shamrock. Put it in your cart. Check out, because it's not going to be here later today.
Especially in the 4 and 5Xs.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
Like we tend to run out in the extra small, and 4 and 5X.
Okay.
Because we don't get as many in.
And then here's the heart. Oh, wait, wrong one. Here's the bees and the cherries. Yeah. Perfect.
I probably messed that up on you. Sorry.
Oh, no, that's
I'm just making sure you're on your toes, Pat.
In these shoes, my toes already hurt. All right, brand new today, you get a set of 2, and we always love when you bring us sets, so you're going to see more of those coming up. All right. So how about if we talk about the pants I have on, the pants Luann has on, and I'm going to start this way. If you're looking for comfortable pants, you have found your